Today I'm going to show you how to do a real good smoked pork steak. Stay tuned. Just out of convenience today, I bought these pork steaks pre-sliced that are bone in. Next time I'll do them, I'll buy a boneless Boston butt and I'll slice them myself to the desired thickness. These are probably about a 1/4 inch thick. So I'm going to pull these out of the packaging. I'm going to do a dry hand and a wet hand. One thing I meant to show and do a while ago was put a pair of gloves on this container. I did this the other day and worked great. That way you can use both wet hands. When you're done, pull that glove off. You got a clean container. But since I didn't do that, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put my rub on there. And it's just a basic salt and pepper rub. It's the one I use all the time. I use on pretty much everything I do, unless it's something special. This is just kind of my standard go-to. And I'm just going to let this rub kind of sit on here for a little while. Probably 45 minutes to an hour. Once I put them on the grill or a smoker, and then we'll start cooking them, I'm actually going to mop these. I've got an old family recipe for a mop that I'm going to make. And I'll mop them every probably 15-20 minutes. For about 2.5 hours, I'm going to smoke them. Now that I have the rub on these, I'm going to wrap them in saran wrap and I'm going to put them back in the refrigerator. And let them sit in there for probably 45 minutes to an hour until I'm ready to put them on the smoker. So we'll check back with you shortly. So I've just put these pork steaks on. I've got set about 215. So here about probably 30 minutes or so, I'll come in and start doing the mop. Getting about 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and split these. There's going to be times you're going to have problems hearing me out here between the grill. And we're on a flight path for the regional airport. We're on a flight path for Nashville Airport. So about every 15-20 minutes, you'll hear a jet coming over real low. So I put these, first we have to pop them up again. We're going to let go for a while again. I'm pretty much at temperature now where I want them at. So what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take a piece of this. Mop it real good here. I've also dropped my temperature down to 160. So we're just going to wrap these and put them in the corner. I'm going to put a good healthy dose on this. And just seal it up. Now, as my luck would have it, I'm out of foil. So we're going to double wrap this last one. That's why it's always a good idea to double check what you have before you start a process like this. I can't get it nearly as tight as I'd like it to be. I'm going to do 2 gloves. That just looks good. It's good and tender. I am pleased with these.